Kiki.
It's Amira.
It's Asia.
And it's Shayla. And today we're back with another video. We are going to be doing Twisty Petz.
But first, we'd like to say thank you to Spin Master for sending us these wonderful toys so we can review one.
So first of all, we are going to be doing Fluffy Bunny and Glitzy Panda. Guys, it's a mystery one.
I'm just reading the back and I just...
Is it? Yeah, Fluffy Bunny, Glitzy Panda,
and then a question mark.
So let's get started. You're gonna have to help me with this. I'm really bad at opening. It's cool.
Oh no, I don't want to see that.
Oh my gosh, no, you could see the...
Okay, so...
Okay, let's just face it. Okay. Oh my gosh. So all you have to do, you get the tail and you get the head, you pull it and it's not gonna break, guys. You can use it as a bracelet. And then you just take it off, then you unconnect it. To get it back into a pet, you have to get the body and the neck, put the neck through the hole, keep your fingers there, and you twist the legs where the string is, just twist it until it stays like that. And then you get the back of the body, do the same thing, but it's just the back of the body, and then you twist the back legs until it stays together. Look at it, it's so cute.
I've done it!
You know, for me.
I've done it, guys.
So guys, it's now the time for the prize. Yeah, so we've got the prize in here. And I'm so excited to open it. Amira, are you excited?
Yeah, but I think it's going to be like these.
No, I think it's going to be like that one. Let's open the prize. Oh my gosh, my favorite animal!
It's a cat!
It's a cat! Let's
And
see the name of it.
called...
Oh wait, see right here.
Oh, it's called...
Pinky Pocket. Ooh! Oh my gosh, I love the body because it has this...
It's rainbowy.
It looks like a sweet hair, it's like candy.
Now let's make the pet again. It could be toad, it could be a bracelet. But a kitty cat one this time. And then we're just going to take the bracelet off. And we're going to put it. And then we're going to get the shoulder,
The neck.
and twist the legs together.
Oh, you can just do it like that. I never do that.
And then you get the other half of the body. You do the same thing which you done with the leg. I mean, what you done with the leg.
And we have finally completed all the pets. So they have friends. They'll be friends forever.
BFF forever.
So now let's open our Twisty Petz. You've got this cool little case that you can put your meat.
Yeah, I got like this case, well, golden, blue, silver case where you could put your little Twisty Petz in. Guys, this looks really pretty. Look at it. It's a cute little blue kitty cat.
Mine's a little dog.
These are not like bracelets. These are like rings. Like rings.
And my little dog is
Oh, you got a little unicorn.
My little dog is called...
I'm obsessed with unicorns. Look, a big bracelet.
Mine's called Pinata Puppy.
Can't put it around my head, but I can use as a crown. Her name is Cuddles Kitty. So guys, So this one is called Cuddles Kitty.
My little dog's name is called Pinata Puppy.
Oh, that's a really cute name, guys. Comment down below if you think that's a really cute name.
And guys, I just finished my animal. And yeah.
That could be your mummy. But all these
I'm gonna try one of Asia's ones.
It doesn't matter, easy. Okay, so guys, I made it into a pet. It's a bit twisty around. But I tried. Alright, so let's pop it in there. It's like galloping. Look. Galloping.
It's a cat.
Galloping.
So there's a little cat.
So I got 2 cats and 2 unicorns.
And now let me break it. Well, put
2 cats and 2 unicorns. Put that one together, and then that can be the mummy for all of these children, because they don't have a mummy.
And now here's a nice puppy bracelet you could wear.
Yeah, they're really cute, guys. Trust me, you'd love one of these.
Twistypetz are these colourful glittery bracelets. A nice multicoloured pet. And a small one could be a ring. If you have lots of Twistypetz, then you can make a necklace.
So guys, we really enjoyed making this video, and also we enjoyed making these Twistypetz. And I enjoyed making these Twistypetz because they are reversible. And I like reversible.
And you can make rings as well. You can make rings, a big necklace out of all of them in a bracelet.
Guys, what one do you like the most? Comment down below. So guys, bye for today.
Bye for now.
Bye.